Everything is walking distance.
Alam mo yung tipong nagmamadali ako, find out ko na lang pala na log out ako ng UP dun sa Zoom.
Alam mo yun, babagsak kayo, pero at least hindi ka mag-isang bagsak.
I've been missing out on so many of my core college experiences.
Unstable yung network, pero minsan ako din.
Online. Ay, naku, nakaka-stress. Wait.
Sa college, isang subject, isang building. I was a freshie then. I remember I walked all the way from Mascom to UP Asian Center. And then nagreklamo na ako dun sa senior ko na, oh my God, nakakapagod. But then later on, few months went by, few years went by, I found myself to be that kind of person na laging naglalakad. As in like, nakakatipid kasi siya ng jeepney ride.
So during F to F, right after class, pupunta talaga ako ng Sunken Garden to unwind. Like, everyday talaga yan, walang palya. Kasi super relaxing talaga nung view. Tapos parang it's one of the comfort places in UP talaga.
Naalala ko before sa prod class namin, ito strict pa naman yung mga professor sa prod class. Nandun kami sa pinakadulo, tapos magbubulungan kami ganyan. Ang challenge doon is dapat hindi ka mahuli ng prof or hindi ka ma-call out. Siyempre, ba't kayo nagchichikahan sa likod? So, kapag merong tatawa na medyo feel namin malakas or maririnig ng professor namin, magda-notch-notch ako, uy, ganyan.
Pag online, hit or miss siya. Kasi minsan may technical difficulties yung chikahan nyo. Tapos biglang na-realize mong hindi ka pala na-commute or naka-on video ka pala, tapos nakikita yung phone mo, oh my God, GG.
Sinabi ko man earlier na convenient paglipat lang from one Zoom to another. Pero on the other end, hassle din sa totoo lang. Kasi, of course, foremost, yung internet connection, hindi pala steady. Yung ganun. Nagpapaka-stress ka para makapasok sa Zoom meeting.
Well, honestly, it's not as fun pag nasa bahay ka lang because the problem with online classes is that there's no physical distinction between your school life and your home life.
Ako kasi yung type of person na feeling ko mas productive ako kapag may face-to-face classes. Kasi mas nade-divide ko yung parts of my life na parang work lang, aral lang, or uwi ako na parang tapos na ako mag-aral. Wala na kasing ganun ngayon. Which is nakaka-stress talaga kasi of course when you're at home, hindi lang naman school yung nintindi mo. Diba? Meron ka ding mga chores, may iba ka ding responsibilities.
While I'm like this online setup na very convenient, parang in the long run, it's still really, really hard kasi nakulong ka eh. Pagising mo ng umaga, ito na agad yung kaharap mo. Wala ka nang ibang ginagawa. Parang wala siyang momentum, wala siyang buffers.
Marami yung nahihirapan, hindi patas yung nagiging learning ng mga students in this setup. Tsaka nakakapagod ng mag-meet ng people on screen.
You may think sometimes na parang that's not really, hindi siya yung central na issue, kumbaga. And we may think na medyo superficial siya, pero nakaka-build siya dun sa culture. Tapos, more importantly sa tingin ko is yung bond talaga that was there before. I don't think mare-replace siya ever.
Yung pagbalik, yung pag-adjust back, mahirap rin naman. But if we do it together, if we do it smart, then kaya naman talaga siya.
Gusto ko namang gumawa ng mga face-to-face memories. And so, I'm really looking forward to when I get to meet the Asers and all my friends and even my profs.
I really miss us. I really miss us and us. Parang bastos yun, the heck?